Oh, no, that's up in the air. But this is going to go a long way. No problems at all. Swivel round. Gets the Nexus pay for. Easy.
In a vacant area behind square on the leg side. He had a top portion of the bat. And because of the pace of Jaden Seals, still manages to go a couple bounces for 4.
In the slot. And has launched it up the runway. And it is a rocket 6.
He's been very quiet. He's been in the matches that he has played for Bangladesh, he has been very aggressive. But he understands the fact that to be able to just go and bat and wait for the right one. And he picks the right one. Now look at that shot. It smashes it for 79 meters 6.
Finish it off, see the team. To the line, takes the aerial route. That is a shot of authority into the crowd. It is a rocket 6 from Tanzid Tamim to end the over.
Bangladesh plays it smart. I think they will be in the trump card. That's an excellent hit. Staying back foot and a rocket 6 over mid-wicket.
Well, you can't afford to bowl a ball that's got hit me written on it. Ranked long hop. No batter is going to miss out. Tanzid Hasan just takes one leg away, swivels his body, times it to a nicety, and packs away for 83 meters 6.
Shot. Mid-off in the circle. Right option by Tanzid. Over extra cover. And brings up a precious boundary. Over extra. And brings up the 50 as well. But Tanzid Hasan Tamim is 9th T20 50.
And what a time to come, and what a shot to get it. It looks so smooth as he went and met the ball and thumped it in that gap. He was in control of that shot. Nothing uncertain about it. It went very, very quickly. You need more of those.
Home and square the series. Again, down the wicket. And he smashes it. Square on the wicket on the offside for a lovely boundary. Good evening, Simon Badri.
Hello, Arthur. Hello, everyone. Once again, a good start to the over. 10s and over needed. So they need a few boundaries. And a wonderful cut for 4. There is protection deep, but he's found the gap to perfection.